Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. You guys, I've got mail. I went to my post office box and so many of you beauties have sent me something. So I wanted to go ahead and open it. I hope none of these say please don't open on camera. I'd like to apologize in advance if they do. So thank you guys so much for sending me so much love. So let's go ahead and open them up. I'm going to get all of these. I try and protect everybody's information. So that is why. Oh, I have to show you this. How cute this is. It says, "Make today so good, yesterday gets jealous." Isn't that cute? And that is from Kathleen. I just adore her. She makes sure that she is at every single one of my online classes, and we just have so much fun together. Oh goodness. There is a goodie bag here. We've got these beautiful cactus and succulents. Ah, more. You know what's funny? We don't get these here. These are so cute. Oh, she hand stamped a card. Beautiful. That looks so real too, the ferns growing over the brick. A friend is someone who chooses you. Oh, thank you so much. She just recently got married, so she had her name changed there. Oh, and then she sent me this great little, it's like a cheat sheet, I guess, of the different sizes, which is totally awesome. That is awesome. I always need those because I'm always measuring. That's probably why she watches all of my videos. Oh, look at this. So cute. That Christmas tree is adorable. Oh, the little mouse. I can't imagine a better place to be this Christmas than by your side. Oh, thank you so much. This is adorable stuff. I love it. And let's go ahead and open the next one here. Ah, I know these envelopes. And the next one is, I believe, from, yep, Becky, another beauty. Ah, a Christmas card. I love it. I love the plaid so much. And the tree. This is one of my favorite punches this season. And then the rickrack. Oh, look at that. Very cool. Love your channel, Becky Hill. You guys, she has a YouTube channel, Becky's Life. Check it out. Go over there, tell her that Jean sent you. This next one is from Polly Kidwell. Again, I notice the envelope. Somebody has got their paper pumpkin. This is a thank you card. Aww. This wreath is so pretty. Thank you for the pick tool. It makes my crafting so much easier. Thank you so much, Polly. Oh, that's so sweet. Yes, she got the pick tool. Every month I send out a pick tool because it is my favorite tool. I have one right by me all the time. The take your pick tool. And it's true. It makes your stamping so much easier. And so when you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber of mine, I pick one person each month and just to be nice, send them my favorite tool. So Polly was a recipient of that. That is so cool. And let's see the next person here. This is from Diane. I don't have my cheater glasses on, so I had to hold it away from me. Now, Diane, she is on my team. She is a stamping beauty, and she is a demonstrator herself. So pretty. Again, we've got Paper Pumpkin. It says, "You've been on my mind. Happy birthday." Oh, that's so sweet. I did celebrate a birthday this past month in November. So that was really nice. Thank you, Diane. And then the last one is from another demonstrator of mine that's on my team. This is from Gail. Gail is on my team, although she lives all the way across the country in New York. We still have time to chat and talk, and I just saw her daughter the other night. Her daughter lives out here. So it says, "The world needs more of you." And look at, she created this beautiful framed work with the butterfly. This is from the mosaic paper. And then she has, "Happy birthday to a treasured friend. Handmade because you're worth it. Gail Brantley, 2019. And she has a blog herself. So that is so cool, you guys. Thank you so much. And she sent me a little note here. So that is super sweet. Alrighty, you guys. That is so cool. I love Happy Mail so much. And I hope you guys enjoy getting Happy Mail from me. I know I send a lot out. And so if I have your address, more than likely you've received something from me. Alright, beauties. Have a wonderful day. Please give me a thumbs up for all of these people that are so sweet, so nice, and made me these great handmade items. Have a wonderful day, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye!